Oirevia mwancho morigere bweta sene kya Ndizi TV ngokwariania ase kengese kya mangana AMAYIA ase nchera yowenge nigo charagire CHINSA ISANO na IBERE chabono mubaso chitariki ni 13 motenye okabere omwaka bwechiro 2024 arietariane DORCAS KEMUMA niko tokubwatirana nere Lydia Mose oyo okomanya ase nchera yebimanyero noyo kwana kingamale gene chibicha agoikire ase nchera yobwekerano nere Abigael Nyanchama ngokonyera abogo tubwatia wetera asense moye mitandao asense moya Facebook otunyera buna Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya ya YouTube tubwatia buna Ndizi TV News naboigo ase omotandao we website tonyere buna www.ndizitv.net. Mwancho morigeria toko chaka kurase county ya Kisii nigo abararia bamumerana ase ensemo yomobogani odala simeye county ya Kisii ase babwatana mona barari bande ase ensengima abo bagendete gochengera rituko rinene rie radio ase ensengima ase abararia bono gwetera ase ensemo yobokorere bwabo bali bakora ase ensemo ye radio nigo bagogendete gochengera ritukerio nabo igo bakubwatiraniwa amona bande ase ogokora emyaka emyayemo ogesa ogochakiwa kuboraria gwetera ase enchera yechiredio nigo igo bunenchera yemo yogosira aba bararia koro ase chiredio nigo omogaka oyomo oyobo igo romokori mirimo kurase enyegitari yabosongo nigo abo agokera ogochengera gwechiredio nabo igo kuinyora naki obokoreri obo gwechiredio bwabeire boko nekinga abantu bonsi banyorire amangana ari bwente kumanywa na boigo obosemya wetera ase chiredio Samuel Nyambunde oyore omenyi koro ase kinyoro gyake boye anaboigo wodi yabo malibaimeye county ya Kisii nigo bono abwatisia abararia asogo chengerari tukeri Nyambunde oyo oboigo obwate omonyaroka oye orenge omoraria ase amatuka maiga chingaki chiria chinyomba choboraria bwechiredio charenge chinke imeyensi yeto ya Kenya anene ase radio ya KBC Kisumu Mosbati Beatrice Mokeira Nyambunde oyorenge omoraria gwetera ase KBC Kisumu ase omonu obweke Gusii nigobono agokera ritukeriga nabo igogo chengira nabo igo kunyora nakie munyaruka oye arenge gokora emeremo ase ensemeyo yechiredio
Asamali tango Samuel Nyambunde. Samuel Nyambunde no muibu bonchali ga county ya Kisii naende ngokorega si asenye gitari ya bosongo. Ono lero neli tukolio gochengera chiredio. Itukerio gochengera chiredio ninyorete miaka ya nemetangani eria. Tata tale gwanja monta kune radio asengencho. Radio ndenga kieria nero yarenge gefati vinko nyanchiraika. Nero yarenge gefa abantu bale ko igwera mono amangana ku CHINSA cheisiko naende yarwa bosemia naende yarwa entertainment bono nainche bunandeiga nimbwate omwana oyo obeire nsemo ye radio Beatrice Mokeira Nyambunde obeire okobomoraria KBC ngakientambe naende nachiete minto Nairobi then kuruwaka ende school in some offices in Kisumu so nindo chobuya naende nindo chobuya bwe radio asengenjo nyoe ninche kando na gutwale TV na binto binde na bonko ibwa na nimbwata kaledia gakego ko na kaguchi mata ali miteima matoke ime na ikaranza na tegera so radio negefai ya sana naende ninki anjete ko kale naende kina tangane te ko korora bunegento igento monda gukwa na kurume ataiyo ya bas aseli tukolia rero asenginjoni tukolie chiredio na abarari bonsi na baganirie litukoligia guchengukuya amo nenyaroka yana Beatrice na muganiri litukoligia no guchengukuya guchengira litukolia rero li World Radio Day.
Togosika mwetu mwancho murigereria abanyanyimbo imeye kaunti ya Kisii ni gobono bamochiwe ase ogotabwatoka roboti inake ogosina kyobo tukibogenderete korwa gesa egekore kiabete gokerekana ase CHINSA mochiri chanyakembene ase ngaki omugavana bwe kaunti ya Kisii Simbarati abete gakorutirwa amasasi naboigo buraburu kwenekiwa ase CHINSA mecho bwakorawa nabawakiri George Murara amona hiraringo Tom ni gobono bamochiri abanyanyimbo ase otabeka teneni igoro yobotuki obo ni goboigo bagendete kwemurungania igoro y'abanyanyimbo abo maiga yoko gose yoko sira maiga yoko genda ase atamanyiri omoriki obwe metanda ogose blogger Hezbon Mochama kubora ase amatuko amake naboigo kobekwa byara kwaye korengana nabawakiri abo nigo batebire buna nigo yarekane buna abantu bali bara ange nase omugavana gose bakora emirimo no mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Simbarati nigo bono basoire kubwatiwa ase oyomo ase bono batebire nigo baboerete obugima bwabona komochia engana eyo asebono baganirie obwene gokoreka na nene omoriki oyo Hezbon Mochama okoegwa obosibore bwaye gokora emirimo eriki Hezbon Mochama nigo ari omoriki obwe omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Simba Arati
to bring a picture that indeed Governor Simba Arati has a militia and he wants to do what is not in the confines of the law. To cover the Nyakembene incident. What happened in Nyakembene? We are calling on all these agencies, the police, the DCI, IPOA, the internal unit. You took statements from our clients. You took statements from myself personally as an advocate. We are calling on you to bring out the results, or rather give us an update of what the statements from the Nyakembene incident, the progress you've made in the investigations, and the report to be brought out for the Kenyan citizenry to know what exactly happened in Nyakembene. The other shenanigans are just a cover-up.
Political profiling in Kisii County. Undebuensi or passive, Kobanga no monto Kobuata na Gosomo Buatani, or His Excellency Paul Simbarat. Ni gaga and the community, ni Gobaga and the Kota Jeguense, Nagoiker and Wanga and Baba Isekuan. A year Korokananga, the national government, and the apparatus, the security, ni Gobaga and the Takutumia Chinjera, our show a profile about Walibako Buatisia, almost His Excellency Paul Simbarati. Ni go tu achira se abali twamangana togo chikomochi ngane yega esababu abantu bonsi pibale sense ya Kenya nigo baka nirikora unelichi ichiko ndio ligo tebanga montabu atwe tabaise ko presented before police station Hezbon Mochama ni gabu atu akara abera asitu tamanyi tikyara ntu igete paka Kenya police station to komolinga nga Hezbon Mochama abuga sato atato gitaro akarba rodinga we are taking action na libaje tego tebanga maene mbaro bakorete bamubwate those arrests tiganda tego koreka boniga night arrest can be instituted. Abantu bande mbaro list ya na investigative agencies ba likiri to the public. Ngabanta avonsi bare se list yeyu nigo batakere kubugatwa ne sababu yo kabakubwatero ne linga nigo bakubwatisia His Excellency Paul Simbarati.
Omorai wense Dr. William Ruto ni gagendrete enetaro yaye aimeyense ya Dubai ase rutukori igoro abo maragoba abetega kumirana nabarayi kuro ase CHINSA aimeyorogongoro Africa ase gati ya barayi bali abete bakumirana abo goro maragoba ngamo no morai wense ya Rwanda Paul Kagame omorai wense ya Central Africa Republic Faustin Ajaj Todera ase CHINSA asbabete bakumirana CHINSA mochire hapto ba palace imeyense ya Dubai egati ya mangana ause agati yekirenga yokumerana nigo bakwate chinkwano igorana ne yogotinya obwamate egati yense ya Kenya amo nesi CHINSA echo chinde.
My brother. Yes.
Please.
Yeah. I'm good.
Oui, so my ambition is very poor speak French.
Yes.
Oh, Africa.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
Oui.
doesn't mean we have a tie or
Yes.
just
Yes.
À chaque fois, nous on se voit. Je reprends les contacts pour échanger, mais j'aimerais penser que
Yes.
we deserve. And It never happened.
Yes.
So now he's so happy to have you.
I am very happy, my brother.
C'est ce que tu as dit. Et puis, il voulait absolument te rencontrer. Et là, maintenant,
malheureusement,
he was supposed to go to Kenya for the...
Meyenseto ya Kenya ni gobono banyolire ogosirwa kurwa ase bengi enene ya World Bank ase bono barachi kwegokeria ogosiro ko anene ase okwene kimuna nkwegendera bale noboremi bwabo ase okomentekana gose okomenta kwerigesa ase emigondo yabo wetera ase omorobiri obwebyombe bire byanari webuyo bigokorekana ase chi county ase chi county chiri emerongebere nesato wono chira chikonyora obokonye obwobwe kyombekyo kyanari kigose gwetera se kyombekyo kyanari ase bengi ya ense ya World Bank yabeirege kuboto ka chibesa chibilioni emi eyemogoche ase abaremi gwetera ase omo waziri bw'oboremi mitikari nturi nigobono atebire buna eganga ya yenene nogochikwene kinga ense to ya Kenya terigo chigotwara mochando ndebwensi ase chindagira ase arachikwene kinga yense ya Kenya yeteneire asensemo yendagira.
The success story that we can give this morning is that one bank has put in $450 million that have really supported the agricultural sector in this country, in the country. The first two projects have been completely implemented, which is the NARIG projects and the KSAP project, meaning there has been 100% absorption from our end. So this has been possible because of the collaboration, the good relationship, and that we've had between the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, the Council of Governors, and the World Bank. And as our good friend Vinay leaves this country to his next tour of duty, I personally want to thank him and the World Bank for the support that they have been able to give this country.
Serikali ni gobono ya chakire obunyabi bwa abakoli emeremo be serikali bari batabwati amasakararia ya masomo asensemo yemeremo yabo asigo wetra ase omoriki omonene bwe kyombe ekyo kyabakoli emeremo ni gobono atebimna ni gobantu mbare oro asensemo ya serikali na bagendrete gokora emeremo babwate amasakara atanchiri gose amasakara ari fake certificate ekibono kyagerire obokorari gosebo ichiranire maiga obokorari wemerimo ase county nabo ase serikali ase bono watebire munanigo obunyabi bwachakiwe erio kwena kinga ondetayo orachi kugendera nebikore byo bobosari byo gotora amasakara aria ataikiraneti asensemo ya masomo nabo igo kwena kinga abantu bali abasomerete emirimo eria baitete nimbo kwegwa bale chigasi ase chigobisi imeyenseto ya Kenya ase bona tebemna ondora chikonyorekana na mamochayo ni garachi kwemukirwa egetambukero egetindi keri chiko asebono barachi kwena kinga onde tariko tigara kobwate amasakara ayo atancheri ase semo yabakoremeremo ase chobisi cheserekari.
Following the authentication exercise, the Commission has guided as follows. Employment based on forged certificate is void ab initio, and such employment should be declared null and void from the date of appointment. Such persons shall not be entitled to any form of benefits, including pensions or unpaid allowances and accrued leave, and all cases be referred to the Directorate of Criminal Investigation and ESCC for prosecution and recovery of monies owed and assets procured from these activities. Further, considering that the exercise was of national interest, geared to the general public good, especially in upholding the integrity of our training institutions and the public service in respect to academic and professional certificates, ministries, departments, and agencies that were yet to commence or finalize the authentication are directed to do so. The Commission has also provided guidance to ministries and departments and agencies on the initial disciplinary action against culpable employees as provided for in law, which includes dismissal from the service. As you are aware, forgery or falsification of documents to gain undue advantage against deserving Kenyans is a criminal offense, and it is for this reason
Ekiombe kirigetenerete abantu baria bareno barema nigobono kyaboririe abantu bonsi kwena kyangangwa esokya bare na kwerikia ase enchira yekerero ase omuruberio muya bwekerero o citizen ase serikali erikwena kigankonyora bare obokonye ase county na boigo ase enseto ya Kenya engima nigo boigo batebire buna ase county nigo chabire chigotiga maiga abantu baria bare no barema ase keri etali ko babwatani ase emeroberio eyo bagokora buna county ase bono baochi gokora ebikaro amo na bagavana ase enseto ya Kenya erikwena kinga nkobeka bale emeroberio yo kubwatani abantu bali bamenyete no balema gusebale no balema ase enseto ya Kenya erikwena kinga onde bwansita yo ogochi gotigara maiga ase emeroberio amo na magendero ya serikali meyenseto ya Kenya.
Both at the national government and the county government, insofar as service provision for persons with disabilities is concerned. And it has key findings. I think national government is fully actually been involved in the fact-finding for this report. We have looked at the judiciary, we have looked at the parliament, we have looked at the executive, and then at the county government. So the recommendations are quite rough and many. It touches a lot of stakeholders. So I think now it is the onus of the stakeholders.
Because if we say we have 2% of people with disability in Kenya, definitely National Council will be given less resources to work with. And we've been working around to see that National Council is devolved from Nairobi to the counties to reach out to people with disability at the grassroots level, because that is where the problem is, not here in Nairobi. We have people with disability in Nairobi, but the bigger problem is in the rural areas, where people don't even access.
Omwancho murigeria boigo yare atwikire nkumanywa buna nego aba MCA emerongo etano noyo momiye county ya Kisii baba kobeka engana SMS yabo yo igoro yogochia komo impeach ogoseko mwaka isiko omo deputy governor bwe county eyo nere monda asebono batebena nkubwatikana na obotumeki obobe OBC asebono bagochiko ganda gukwana goseba bachukoendera nebikarero eryo ukwanira engana eyo mwe MCA bwe ward ya Ichuni wikirifusio cha nere egati ya MCA bari baikirana ase ebunge eyo ye county ya Kisii asebono bakachikura nabayigo gote bamuna nigobara achiko mwaka isiko omo deputy governor bwe county eyo David Monda ase ogose obotumeki obobe obwe OBC eyo ayoiga amona yanda mange ntogendete gukwarigania asora chikonyora asenchera yo wenge chikoraga CHINSA 10 nabo igo ense yamo na chiria cha saa 3 nigora chikonyora asenchera yo boikiranu na iga nongo kolera agoseno mwerio ne bwa mangana maya senchera yo wenge eretaria ne DORCAS KEMUMA nigo tobatiranere yo kumanya asenchera yebimanyero manyekena Lydia ase boigo Abigael Nyanchama ainekia abuno kumanya amario gine chibicha agoikire asenchera yobwekirano twara oburigererio buya ime ya Ndizi TV no bwanso bwo Gusii.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bwo Gusii.